Hello everyone, this is Charles BridgTec with another flashlight review, this time from FiTorch. Now this here is their EC30. Now I was sent this by them directly. They wanted me to test and review this light. This is a complete kit, comes in this box. So let's go ahead and get started here on the specs of the light. Now as you can see there, puts out 2500 lumens on the highest output. Now if you need more time to read those, go ahead and pause the screen. Otherwise, we're going to get this open, see what's in. Start off with the manual. Manual there. Operation of this light is real easy. Here's the holster. Now this is a double stitched material, but this right here is very weak, and I've had a lot of lights where these come apart after a while of using them. Here's the O-ring that comes with it extra. Got the elastic sides on here. It is lined. And the holster is okay. Here's the lanyard, and it is pretty good size. One USB Type-C charging cable. Always a big plus to be able to have that. Now let's go ahead and take a look at the light. Not a huge fan of these molded holders for the lights when they're transporting them. A lot of times, depending on the finish of the light, they'll leave a little blemishes on the finish. There it is. Now you can table stand that if you need to. Right offhand, I'm noticing a blue bezel on here, as well as a side switch. Here's the clip. Now you can remove this if you don't want it on there. Pretty good size. Definitely nice for EDC. Here's the charging port. Side switch does stick out a little bit there. Does have a little bit of heat sinking here. Now the style and design on this is very nice. Feels rugged, solid. Alright, so now let's go ahead and take a look here at the textured reflector. Now this is running the Cree XHP50.2 LED. Now the machining and finish on this is very nice. Not seeing any issues. It's got that semi-gloss shine to it. No real rough edges on here, so wearing gloves, but these little indentations on the body may help with gripping it. Alright, so now let's go ahead and get this open and I'll show you the insides. Start off with the tail spring. Well greased threads. Now there is a protection piece here on the battery. You want to remove it. Take a look here at the battery. This is a 21700 cell, 5000 milliamp. This is a 20 amp cell. This is unprotected. Should give you plenty of run time. Now there is a spring down on the head of the light, so you can use other batteries as well, but they're going to have to be unprotected cells. Let's go ahead and get this back together. Alright, now let's go through the UI. Before we do though, we're going to go ahead and click the side switch 3 times. 1, 2, 3. 4. 4.2 volts on the battery. 1, 2, 3. 4. 2. So you can check your battery level even before you start up the light. Nice feature to have. Alright, so now to lock this light out, you're going to press and hold till that shuts off and blinks several times. Now the light will not come on. You can press and hold it to come on the lowest light output only, but that's it. Now to unlock the light, simply going to press and hold until that blinks again. Now we can go through the UI. Now the UI is pretty straightforward on this. And turn it on. Now you can press and hold to go through those light outputs. Press and hold it down, or you can do it individually, one at a time. And the highest output kind of slowly comes on to its highest output there. That is intense. We're going to turn it back down a little bit, go down the next level. Look at the beam here. Definitely a nice combination beam. A little bit of bleeding around the edge there to the spill. Not a super sharp cutoff. Now if you do want to get special mode, you're going to double click to get strobe, and that is a variable speed on the flash. And then you can double click again, will get you SOS, which is on the fast side. Now if you double click again, it will go to strobe, or you can press and hold to go to the last light output that you had it on. One click turns that off. Now you can simply go through those light outputs again and you're back on the lighted path. Really easy to operate on this light. Nothing difficult. Looks great. Not seeing any issues here with build quality, of course. Alright, well, let's wait no further. Let's take this outside, see how it does in the wilderness. We are out here in the darkness with the EC30 from FiTorch. Let's go ahead and get started. See how this thing does. Now it is on the lowest setting. You can see my feet there. Great for up close and personal. Alright, let's go to the next level. There it is there. Now that water spout there is 35 feet from where I'm standing. And it is faintly making 65 feet there on that tree. There it is on the fence, kind of give you an idea. Come over here, kind of see the length of the beam there. Let's go to the next level, see how it does. School has come alive. A lot of ice on the ground, on the grass that is. 138 feet there, and it is making the tree of life. It's going to take some settings here and getting used to this new camera. Not used to using this digital type here. Tree line, fence line. Let's go to the next level here. See how it does. Kind of a fog rolling in the distance there. See the tree better now? I think my fingers are frozen here. Let's go to the next level. See how it does. Wow. Impressive. 238 feet. See the tree behind this, and it's making it. It's impressive. Making that school almost to those palm trees. I can faintly see them. So that's good there. Welcome back. Hope you enjoyed those night shots. Impressive beam performance on here. It's got some decent amount of throw. Definitely a very impressive combination beam. The build quality on this, of course, is very nice. No issues. So now we're going to go ahead and see how it fits in the holster, which is a little on the weak side of this kit if you ask me. That's how that fits in there. Kind of a molded feel to it. Does have some flexibility to it. So good for casual carry, but I wouldn't use it any more than that other than to store your light. Definitely want to get a better quality flashlight holder if you're going to do that. Now the UI is super simple to operate on here, and 2600 lumens is a lot of light to be able to come out of this light for this size. So definitely impressive. And also the big factor in here are the 21700 cells. Have really helped the flashlights get better run times, got a little more power in them. Also, they're becoming more and more mainstream, so we're definitely going to see them in just about every light there is to come in the future. There are other batteries out there. Of course, technology is always behind when it comes to the battery aspect of the flashlight. LED is way advanced. Now the battery technology we hope will catch up to the LED part of the light. That will really help out. This being USB rechargeable Type-C to get that battery charged quicker. Different with that blue bezel on there, as well as the blue power switch. Alright, well, I want to thank FiTorch for sending me this EC30 to review. Now, if this is something you're interested in getting, remember, this is the complete kit. I will leave a link down in the description. Also working on a special discount code, and that'll help you save some money on this just in case you're interested in getting it. Well, that's it for me. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please share, like, and subscribe. That way I can bring more of these lights from FiTorch to you in the future. Thanks for watching. Take care.